before you start, go follow me Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, VSCO. Don't forget YouTube description below. And Instagram is not gonna work.
You know that 60% of you who are watching this video are not subscribed? Make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications after you hit the notification bell. And comment down below with a reaction video request. I heart comments and read them every day.
I watching reaction videos. Only Marquise Waluigi YouTube. And then look at this living room. Do you see? And look at this Christmas tree lights. Christmas lights. In the get closer down a second. Oops. Come on. There. There. And then look at this boxing called ornament. And then battery. Yep, a warm white. So enjoy the video puppet. I was for guys no time for praying. Why, Luigi? Why? But I never forgot the dinner. Cause at midnight. Yeah, because 12 already a.m. early morning. So tired. No, I got a surprise for you. Okay. Okay, let me know the surprise for dinner is all kitchen room. Oh, but I want you to take a rubber band off and look. Oh, that's so. You buying for microwave? Yup, it's called smart inverter. Yeah, cause it's no popcorn, no pizza, and don't know. You stop, clear, lock, hold 3 seconds, and start 30 seconds. That's cool. From LG Mario. Yep. Let's see, opening microwave. Yeah, I see bacon, fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, oatmeal, potato, rice, village, crossing rope, dinner plate, pie, pizza, popcorn, meat, frozen fish, and bread. And find the light right there. That's cool. Oh wait! Ha ha! Find them. Yeah, see. Says center cook popcorn, power level cook time, clear server, we heat defrost meat, puncher, blackfish, a time cook whole 3 seconds, a time wait, enter. And start. I'm loving it. Me too. What I hate. Let's make it dinner. Yay. Okay, here's this breadstick half. See? Right here. Now, I'll put it back. That's a lot. Okay, what? Four plastic. Come on. There. Oh. Tries again. There. That's so easy. Mario. This time minus a plus. This is cool loin and in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. See? There we go. Let's see this hot plastic. No, it's still cool. Oh. Yes, finally. It's hot. No, I'm watching microwave, new microwave. I cannot believe TV is turning off. It starts again. Yeah, but I don't like not lying. That's rudimentary. Yep. Every night 6:30, ABC 12, ABC News with Darren Mayer. Come on, waiters!